as Mark waits in the kitchen. He's looking for his feathered friend. Will it come tonight or wait till tomorrow? We'll have to wait and see.
Chick, 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 chick. Come on, birdies. Where are you? Let's be having you. Hi guys, as you can see, I am filming the back of my phone, and the back of the phone is attached to my Nikon, which is parked outside, and it's pointing at a fork handle. That's not a fork handles, it's fork handle, as the old joke goes. And we're connected by Wi-Fi. We've got a Wi-Fi network which the Z7 has got. And what the plan was tonight, as my sink gurgles, the plan was tonight to capture a bird landing on the said fork handle. But they don't seem to be playing tonight. This afternoon there was lots and lots landing, and the idea of this is basically the birds kind of don't know I'm here taking photos. It's quite good. The tripod is set. It's really non-obtrusive, and I'm not walking around the garden, so it's really good, and you can capture some amazing footage. Yeah, so this video was just basically just a run through of the settings and what you can do and what you can do to be creative. Now, so like I say, that the camera is outside about 10 meters away from where I am. We've got the phone there, obviously we're pointing at the phone, and this just gives a different bit of creativity, and it gives you chance to take photos in the garden that you might not necessarily be able to take. You could always sit down if you're not as active. You know, you can put the tripod in the garden and set up with your iPad or with your phone app, and you know, capture birds basically. And also you can put the camera a lot closer than what you could possibly get to on your tripod if you were to walk or sit in the garden or hide under a blanket. So if you leave the camera there for a good hour or so, the birds kind of get used to the tripod being there, and it's not a person, so it's really good. And to connect to Snapbridge, it's really simple. You can do really long exposures for astrophotography, so you could put it in bulb mode, press the shutter button on the back of the phone, just press that there, and you can do 30-minute exposures. One exposure you can do as long as you want basically. And also when you've taken the shot, you press this button here on the side, if I just show you, and it just gives you a preview of the shot, and it also gives you opportunity to there you go, there's a shot there. I'm not too sure if you can see that on the back of the camera, but that is the blue tit we got today. That's it. But what you can do with that, you can just download it to the phone, and if you're doing some social media or you're at an event or you're doing some press photography, you can send your images to Snapbridge and you can post them on Twitter. You can send them to your clients. You can do things really quick, and that's why I actually love the Z7 and the Snapbridge. It's really good. So you can also, as well, you can send these images straight to your mobile Lightroom, edit them, and then again send them off again. Or if you do a wedding, sometimes I can upload photos, edit them on site. So you just quickly go to click an image, and it'll just tell you to download the image. You can remove dust spots, and then you can show the bride and groom a picture of one of the images that you took during the day, and they're quite happy. They can use it as a profile picture rather than waiting to go all the way home, edit a photo. It's nice little gesture to the couple that you've spent the day with. But this is really good for bird images or any type of photography really. It's just a different way of doing things. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the image that I love that I took today. The bird is, if I just move that like that, that's an unedited photo. I don't know if you can see that or not, but just perfect, to be fair. It's as sharp as it's going to get, because there's no shaking of the camera, there's no pressing. That camera's been there now for 20 or 30 minutes. It's not going to move, it's not shaking in the wind, and yeah, it looks really good. So that's my thoughts so far. I'll give it 5 or 10 more minutes, and if not, I'll try and what I'll do is I'll probably try and do some more tomorrow, or just leave it. But I think hopefully I've shown you what it's kind of like anyway. So yeah. So it's really simple. What you would do is you would open the app, go to remote control photography, and then what you would do is go to settings, go to wireless, go to your Wi-Fi, turn it on, and simply scroll down until you would see Z7, and it's connected to my internet at home at the moment, but you would just basically press that, go back to the app, open Snapbridge, you can download the pictures. It tells you it gives you Wi-Fi connection, it tells you all the settings to do, you download the pictures, and then basically at the same time, when anything you've downloaded to, you go to your gallery, and as you can see, these are the raw images. You don't have to download the high res, you can download a 2 megapixel image. That's one I took today. That's an army plane that flew over the house. But these are all the raw images unedited. There's a fork handle. And it's really straightforward, to be fair. There's one from last night. If you don't know if you can see that or not, that's the Starlink with all those 40 satellites going over. And it's really simple. So what we'll do is I'll just show you quickly how we would start the Wi-Fi. You would simply go to the back of the camera, turn it on, go down to the setup menu where the spanner sign is. It would say connect to smart device. You would click that on. It would go to Wi-Fi connection, and it would give you an option there. It would be SSID, it would be Z7. And you would do that how you would normally connect to your Wi-Fi in your house, a Wi-Fi router. The password would be either nikon-7 or nikon-6. And it's simply that's as simple it is to connect. And once you're connected, you're ready to go, you're good to go. And like I say, it's really good, and it's good to get creative in the garden. You're not scaring any birds off. You can do portraits, really long selfies. You can go and climb up, some hills somewhere in the Lake District. I think, not too sure exactly how far they work, but I've been using it for about 30 or 40 meters, and it's been working quite well. So I've had no issues. Sometimes you lose connection with the Wi-Fi, but I think with everything to do with Wi-Fi, yourself, if you go from room to room with your phone, it could sometimes lose connection because it jumps onto another connection. It's not this one's a problem with this, but if a stronger link, our phones jump to the strongest link. I hope you've enjoyed this mini vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've got something from it. Leave your comments down below if you want any advice, or you need any more tips or tricks, or you're struggling with something. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll try and get back to you, as soon as possible. And yeah, leave your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and until next time, take care.